Alienware Repair London. We specialize in Alienware laptops. They are gaming laptops. There are several issues with Alienware where you have video card related issues, motherboard problems, display, blue screens. You might have like 8 bips and where the machine is not functioning correctly. Here at Alienware Repair London, we would be able to help you in repairing your Alienware laptop. If it's an M14X, M15, M17, M18, in all the revisions, we are able to help you in repairing these laptops. We have specialized equipment that can deal with component level repairs. We have various tools that we use to do this sort of repair. So for more information, visit our website, give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to help you.